Hello, and welcome to the funniest episode of Loopy Dupes. Funniest because we are about to compare the same polish. Just for funsies, the same polish, but in the different line. And I thought I would take this opportunity to compare the Infinite Shine range to the regular OPI range. So this is All Your Dreams in Vending Machines. And if you watched my previous videos, you will have heard the hilarious story of me buying the same polish. I mean, obviously they look the same, but how will they fare? Will one be more opaque than the other? Will one be shinier than the other? Let us see. Let's start with the regular line first. I think that would be logical. And then we'll have the Infinite Shine on the right. So ignore the rest of my wheel. I've been doing other videos. Okay, so it is quite sheer on the first coat, but if I remember correctly, it is a two-coater. It just seems really sheer in the first coat. Wow. So that's the first coat of the regular line. Very sheer, a little bit on the runny side. And then let's try the Infinite Shine version. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to paint in exactly the same way. Similarly sheer. Yeah, similarly runny. I would say the formulas feel very similar. Yeah, I think it'll all be down to the second coat, and perhaps we'll even top coat just to see the shininess, but at the minute they feel the same. So if they are the same, what is the point in the Infinite Shine range? Yeah. Unless Infinite Shine means it's longer wearing. Maybe I should have researched this before doing the video. Anyway, I'm going to let this dry and then I'll come back for a second coat.
A few minutes later.
Alrighty, we are back and I'm going to do the regular one, second coat. I'm trying to paint in exactly the same way. Yeah, I think that's good in two. It's weird because it is a bit thin, but it seems okay in two. Let's get the Infinite Shine one. That felt a little bit smoother, but it's the same sort of thinness. I think the only other experiment to do would be wear time. But I'm not going to do that. Let me know if anybody out there has done a wear time test. But is it me, or is the shimmer coming through a little bit stronger on the Infinite Shine, making it a tiny bit cooler? I don't know. When you look at something too long, you start seeing things that aren't there. Alrighty. I'm just going to whack a top coat on here just to see the overall look and the shimmer coming through and stuff. Good old fast and hard. I didn't do that very well. I did something went weird there. That was user error. I'm just checking that my lights are equal. Yeah, my two lights are equal, so. What are your thoughts? Because at this stage, I'm leaning towards keeping the infinite shine one and giving the other to somebody else. What do you think? Thanks for watching, everybody.